Hello B4A Android forums. My name is Matt and I wanted to make a video today to illustrate how the IME library and the HeightChanged event helped me solve an issue that I was having with an app I've been working on. Here's a demo of the app that represents the same layout that I used. I had a label and some spinners at the top, then I had a few edit text fields and then a button at the bottom. And my design for this was for a user to click through the edit texts and be able to scroll through them and then click a button at the bottom that would simultaneously hide the keyboard and readjust the screen size. So this works okay. You can see here the button is clipped a little bit there at the bottom, but you can get through it and you can click the button. But what I noticed in testing this was that if you clicked into an edit text field and then hid the keyboard, then the screen was not resizing and it was getting clipped off down here at the bottom when you scrolled. So my first attempt to solve this was to use the edit text focus changed event so that when you clicked into an edit text field you could resize the height of the scroll view. So I initialized the scroll view at 500 dip, which when you're on the regular screen, it will not scroll. So when you click into the edit text, the idea would be that it would scroll. But what I found was that this resizing wasn't doing anything. It wasn't working. So when I posed this question on the forum, Errol suggested I see the IME tutorial, and so that's what I did, and using the HeightChanged event I was able to solve this problem. So the first thing we needed to do is change the Windows Soft input mode to adjust resize. So I've done that in the manifest file, and then so I added my HeightChanged event here, which I have commented out. So I'll open that back up. And let me go ahead and just comment all this stuff out because we don't need it anymore. Okay, so let me go back in and comment out the IME initialization. So we've initialized it here. We add the HeightChanged event here. And then very simply all I did now here was to set the scroll height to equal the new height. So this HeightChanged event kind of handles everything that I needed it to do. I can also take this out because this was resetting the scroll to the original layout that I set it to when I initialized it. So we don't need this anymore using the HeightChanged event. So I'll go ahead and commit these changes. So after committing our changes and restarting the app using F11 or the debug restart menu option, looks like we are in business. So if I scroll through, I can scroll all the way through to get to my button, or if I drop the keyboard, we're back to our original screen size. So basically what this HeightChanged does is it resizes the layout based on the available screen size. But what that kind of translates to for my purposes in this app is whether or not the soft keyboard is visible. Thank you to Errol for pointing this out and for helping me fix this, and I hope you guys, if you come across a situation like this, I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.